Hey guys, Glen, welcome to my channel. I just want to go over on how to create a landing page. So what we're going to do in this tutorial is we're going to create a landing page and we're going to connect it to an autoresponder. All right, this is basically the beginning of when you get started with affiliate marketing. And guys, don't worry if you're not techie, I'm going to give you this landing page. So I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to show you the components in it, but then you can take this and I'm going to give you an import button where you could import this over and over and over, and you could just make variations of it and all this kind of thing. But I'm just going to show you the basics of how it works and how you put your links depending on what you're promoting. Say you're promoting a ClickBank product or you're promoting um, basically anything. I'm going to just show you exactly how to use this. Okay, so the first thing is when you import it, so make sure you hit subscribe and then click below and you can get the button to import this into your system. The system I want you to use is called ClickFunnels Classic. Don't worry, you can go try it for 14 days for free. If it's not your thing, then don't worry about it, but you can do this. And then if you want to, you can pay, I think it's $97 a month. But if you're promoting the stuff that I'm telling you to promote, you can easily make that daily, if you really want to, just by doing some of the strategies that I use. Also, ClickFunnels has its own affiliate program, so you can actually give this away and put your links in it, and you can get people to join ClickFunnels and you, and then your system would be free, and you can go promote as many products as you want, make as many funnels as you want, all that kind of stuff. So let's get started. So how does the page work? Let me get my stuff out of the way here. So basically, a landing page is just something to get an email. So when you are in here, you might see how all these lines pop up. Well, this is just so you can edit it. And wherever there's a place you want to edit, you just click the little gear and it gives you a little menu over here. So let's say I wanted to change the text color. I could do it like that, and now it's red, right? Or I can change it to green, or I can change it to blue. So that's um, basically changing the text colors. And you can do that for whatever you want. Now, if you want to add a new component, you can just click Add New Element, and you could add another headline, right? Or get rid of that. You can just click the trash can and get rid of it. Or you can add an image. Click on the image, click over here, upload an image, right? Add an image, upload an image. So we can do that. So this is really, really easy to do. If you want to add a button, you could add a new button. There's a button right here, already done for you, right? So we'll get rid of that. Okay. So those are both basically the components of it. Now, how do you make it actually work? Well, you can see that there's no place for people to put an email on here, right? Well, it's done because this button here, see this green thing over here? It says set action. If I go set action, it says open the pop-up. So I could make it submit the form, open the pop-up. I don't know what the Facebook option is. I've never used it. Go to a website, go to the next step in the funnel, scroll, roll, show. So it does all these things. That button can do multiple things. But right now we have to set up the pop-up. So up here, can you see it? My name might be over it. Anyways, you'll see settings and you'll see pop-up. Right there, you want to click on show pop-up and boom, it shows you the pop-up, and now you've got this form here. And then again, this button, set action, and look at it submits the form. So how does it know when I click this, when someone puts their name and email in here and it says submit form, how do I get it to tell it to go to what page do I want it to go to next? For example, I want it in this funnel to go to the next page in the funnel, right? So it's going to be, I want this button, when they click it, to go to the next page, but I don't want to change it to this because I want them to submit that form. So that's done in the integration. Okay, and up here again under my name, I should get rid of that. Anyway, up here there'll be settings. There'll be one called integrations. And you'll see this code here. Well, look at this. Right here it says on submit, go to step 2. Now, how did I get this? I didn't write this, guys. I didn't write this kind of tag thing. This is from my autoresponder. because that's where I want my names. When they put their name here, I want it to go over to my autoresponder. Now this is the autoresponder I use, Aweber. To get started, I think up to 5,000 subscribers, which is a great size list. I think it's $20 or $30 a month. Very, very, very inexpensive to operate a business. So what you want to do in order to create that form, you go over here to sign up forms, right? And you can see right here, this is my form that I have in there. I've added a tag because I want to know where it's coming from. And I go to the next step. And right here is where I want it to go to the next page. And it should actually say step 2. Now, where do I get that address from? Back over in my funnel here. Let's just go back to the funnel. I don't want to change anything there. So, oops, leave. Step 2. This is step 2 of the landing page funnel. And I want to copy that. Go over to this. And so the thank you page, you want to create a custom page. Click there. If they've already subscribed, like they've already opted in once, well, we want to keep sending them back to that same page. So you just click it there, save your form, go to step 3, and then you want to click this. This is easy. You are comfortable with HTML. I'm going to show you how easy this is. Super simple. Click on that, and you want the raw HTML version, and you don't want any styles on it. So you just want the form itself. Now you don't want this little bit up here. Like this will make your thing not work. So you want to click from there all the way down to where that form tag closes. So that's what you're going to copy. And now this has all the information. It tells it what list to put the person on, what page to go to next, all that stuff. In fact, you could change that page. You could go directly, if you just want to use the one page and send them to an affiliate offer, you would put your affiliate link there and just send them directly to the affiliate link. Anyways, you want to copy that, go back over to ClickFunnels, go back to that first page, right? Go to Edit, Settings, Integrations. You want to do HTML, an integration. If you don't have this here, guys, if you don't have like a thing here, don't choose Aweber because you don't want to use the API. And I'll explain why in a little bit, why you don't want to use that, why you want to use the form. And then you want to go into integrate existing form. If you don't have this, drop me a message below and I'll show you how to get it, but you should have that in there. And then you just paste your form in here, hit save. Name is going to be name, email is going to be email, and then you hit save and you save your thing and you're done. That's how you make your landing page. So now you can go preview it, and when someone comes here, clicks on here, it opens up that, they put in their information, they hit submit, and they get taken to step 2. Now this step 2 could be anything you want, guys. I'm just giving you a landing page. You can use it for what you can use this landing page, which you can get to put all your affiliate links and all these things, right? You can use it, or you can use it for whatever you want, or you can just take components of it and do it whatever you want. You can make multiple funnels, you can make whatever you want. Now, going back, just one thing on why I said why we don't want to use the API. Usually when you get a free, or a new Aweber account, you're going to not be able to turn off something called the double confirmation, which is under list settings, personalize your list, confirmation message. When this will be turned on, and you may not be able to turn it off until your account is old enough. My account's old enough that I can do it. So we want these all off. So when you have a new account, you can turn this off. So what's great is you're using an Aweber sign up form, right? Because we've put their form on that page. So that means you're using this. So you don't have to send an Aweber confirmation page. All right. So that means that you can send them directly to your offer instead of them having to confirm that they want to be on your list. Some people like to do that. you know, you're double confirming your opt-in, but some people don't. They're like, oh, I want to just get to the page. I don't want to have to click another thing to confirm my email. So that's where you would turn that off and you would do it. So that is basically how to create a landing page. Super simple. It's so simple. Um, Now, if you don't want to use a pop-up, say you didn't want to use a pop-up pop-up, then you could put the form information right here. You go down here and you'd put an input, right? Your email address there. And then you would turn off the pop-up. So it's totally up to you. And there's tons of ways. Guys, I have tons of training on my channel. Make sure you subscribe. There's tons of trainings on how to do this. If you need any help, reach out to me. But again, best thing to do is go down below, grab this funnel, import it, right? Go set up an Aweber account and then play with it. Just play with it. Start playing with it. Go over to ClickBank. Go to, if you don't have an account at ClickBank, just make one. You can find an offer there. Go to Digistore 24 or anything like that and create and get affiliate offers. So for example, guys, or become an affiliate for ClickFunnels, which you get with your account, and you can just promote ClickFunnels and Aweber. You can get an Aweber affiliate account. So you could just promote like this funnel does. It promotes ClickFunnels, it promotes Aweber, and it promotes Namecheap, which is a hosting company. And those three things, if you just shared this one thing and just constantly got people onto those are all subscription-based affiliate programs where you get paid every single month when people pay their subscription. You get a percentage of it. So it's a great funnel to use. So that's it, guys. I'm Glen Murray. This has been my how to create a landing page tutorial. Very, very simple, very easy to do. If you have any problems, just reach out to me, message me. But click the link below, import it, go through the steps so you'll see how the steps of the funnel work, and then it explains to you how to actually use the funnel. It's kind of a self-explaining thing. All right, guys, that is what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed this. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe.